Hi guys, here's a quick review on this TY Beanie Baby 2002 glider. No, you guys, this is not a pelican. It's actually ready a prehistoric bird. This is a prehistoric bird, you guys. So basically, it's like a bird from like the old times. Yeah, from like during when dinosaurs were been around. So yeah. There's the tag, the front tag. Here's the touch tag. Glider. There's the back. Copyright 2002 Thai Ink PE pellets. Yeah, remember this is a prehistoric bird. There's the beak. There's the feet. It's so cool. I mean, it's so perfectly detailed. There he is like this. And the other side. There it is up top. The bird up top. There's the neck. There's the eyes. Oh my gosh, this thing is just so cool. I mean, wow. I mean, I thought it was a pelican at first, but no, it's actually I just realized and oh, hold on. Bam! It's actually a prehistoric, and bam! It's a prehistoric bird. So yeah. There's the beak. Super duper cool. It has this pretty cool material on the beak, just like on the Beanie Babies and all that from the 2000s, the early 2000s, before I was born. There's the barcode. There's that. There's the tail. The wings. There's the such fluffy material. There's the neck right there. There's this part of the neck. This is so cool. There's his face. I love this thing. This thing is just, it's so cool. And here's the back of the bird. Here he is up top. Well, this side. And here he is like this. And there he is down to the bottom. And there's the horn up there, like something pretty cool. It's like, do you like to do that? And that's it. Alright guys, that's the quick review on this TY Beanie Baby Glider, the Prehistoric Bird Plush from 2002, and his birthday was October 4th, 2001. Alright guys, bye.